read this question. Looks simple. They have given you that this is the tangent to this hyperbola. Then which of the following cannot be the sides of a right angle triangle? Now you can see everywhere that A is the only thing which is not known to you. Okay, this A is not known to you. So can we figure out that A? Yeah. Okay, so what is given to you? Equation of a tangent. Okay, can I write it in slope intercept form? Like rearranging the terms, this is the tangent given to you. Now, can you independently write equation of tangent to this hyperbola? Yeah, slope intercept form, what is it? Y is equal to mx plus or minus, I'm writing a plus right now, under root a square m square minus b square. That's your equation of tangent to this hyperbola. Okay, what is your b square? It's 16. Okay, we will write it later. But what we have to do is we just need to compare the two equations, as simple as that. So what do you get? You get m value to be 2 when you compare them. And what else? You should get under root a square m square minus b square. Okay, in my case b square is 16. You want it to be what? 1. Okay, let's now plug in the value of m even, because you got m to be 2. So a square m square, okay, let me just write 2 squared minus 16 should be 1. I squared both of the sides. So you end up in getting a square. Okay, 4a square is 17, or you end up in getting a is equal to root 17 by 2. You know your a, okay, so that is root 17 by 2. Is option A giving you sides of a right angle triangle? Check that. Because this number is how much? Root 17 by 2. 7 root 17 is like slightly more than 4, right? So slightly more than 4, I can just write it's slightly more than 2. Okay, more than 2. This is more than 2. Okay, so you need to see that if square of two smaller numbers add up to square of the bigger number. No, right? So this is not an option. Okay, you just check. Okay, root 17 square, root 17 by 2 whole square plus 1 square. Okay, is it coming out to be 4 square? That's 16. Answer is no, right? So you just cross it off. Similarly here also you have to check whether root 17 by 2, 4 and 2. Okay, so again this is slightly more than 2, right? So still these two you have to check if the squares sum up to this. Again answer is no. Okay, this is root 17. Root 17 slightly more than 4. Okay, slightly more than 4. Again you have to check whether this is square and this is square add up to 8 square, that's 64. Answer is again no. So only last option is left. Okay, so last option 2a is how much? Root 17, 4 and 1. Who are the smaller ones? This and this, because this is slightly more than 4. Okay, 4 square plus 1 square, that's how much? 17. Under root 17 is sitting right here. So yes, they do form the sides of a right angle triangle. Okay, okay, so your answer is first three, right? A, B and C, they cannot form sides of a right angle triangle. Okay, so your answer is actually A, B and C. See you with another question.